Hello everyone, this is Umair Hassan. Today we are going to solve exercise 3C of D1 7th edition, and questions are question number 4, 5 and 6. The topic is related to estimation and you will be able to know how to estimate a quantity. So question number 4 says a car travels 274 km. It takes an average of 9.1 km on a liter. The distance is 274 km. So you can represent it with D, 274 km. And what is per liter distance covered? So for 1 liter, the distance covered is 9.1 km. So we have to estimate total number of liters used for this journey. Because we have to estimate, so you can round off your values to nearest 10 or nearest 100. It is preferable to round off 274 to nearest 10, which is 270, in order to give a better estimate. 9.1 can be rounded off to 90 km for 1 liter. Now you can calculate number of liters. Total number of liters is the total distance traveled divided by distance covered per liter. So total distance traveled after rounding off is 270, and for 1 liter you can cover 9 km. So distance covered per liter is 9 km. After rounding off to near whole number, you can divide it by 9. For 1 liter you can cover 9 km. So divide total distance by the distance covered per liter. You can simplify this. So it is almost 30 liters. The answer is 30 liters. Next one is estimate the ratio of the area of the shaded region to that of the unshaded region in the figure. This is your area, this part is shaded, this is unshaded. So we have to estimate the ratio. So divide your area by just estimating that in equal half. This area is almost equal to this area. I have just done this by estimating by just guess that in order to divide this complete area in 3 sections, because this part should be equal to this one and it should be equal to this one. So divide it proportionally in this area and it will be divided in almost 3 parts, one part and one part. So the ratio of the area shaded, now this is one part and the unshaded parts are 2. So the ratio of shaded to unshaded is 1:2. This is for shaded. You can divide your area in equal sections. This section should be equal to almost this one and it should be equal to this one. So 3 equal sections almost, and this one is unshaded. This is the required ratio for shaded to unshaded. Question number 6. A shopkeeper makes the following order from a wholesaler. This is the order that shopkeeper has basically done, and what he has ordered: skirts 32 in quantity, and for one skirt it's $18, belts 18, and per belt it's $8, white shirts 47 and per shirt $26, black blouses 63 and cost per item that is $23, and grey leggings 52 total quantity, and for one you have to pay $9. So show how you estimate total amount of money that shopkeeper has to pay. We have to do estimation again, and in estimation we can change our numbers reasonably in such a way that your total result should not be affected a lot. Like 32 is the quantity and cost per item is 18. So I can round off 32 to nearest 10, which is 30. This is quite reasonable, and 18 can be rounded off to 20. because this is easy to estimate. 3 into 2 6, so 600 will be the cost for the number of skirts. This is estimate. Same process will be for the beds. 18 can be rounded off to 20, 8 can be written as 10, 20 into 10 is $200, which is the estimated cost for beds. White skirts 47 can be rounded off to 50, 26 can be rounded off to 30, 5, 3, 10, 1500 is the cost for white shirts. Black blouses 63 can be rounded off to 60, 23 to nearest 10, 20, and the result is 6 into 2, 1200. And the last one is leggings. So 52 you can round it off to the nearest 10 as 50, and 9 can be rounded off to 10, so it will be 500. Now you can add them. So 1500 plus 500 is 2000. Well, 12 plus 2 14 plus 6 2000. So total cost will be $4,000. Answer for this question. So this is the solution, question number 4, 5, 6 from D1 exercise 3C. Keep watching. Thank you so much.